Want to make a beautiful 3D paper flower without fancy tools or templates? You're in the right place. This is a fun and easy craft for kids, classrooms, or anyone who loves paper crafts. Here's what you'll need. Pencil, colored paper, scissors, ruler, glue stick or white glue, something round to trace, like a cup or lid. Optional, cardstock to mount your flower. Step 1. Cut strips. Start by cutting 16 paper strips, about ½ an inch wide and 6 inches long. Step 2. Make petals. Take each strip and curl it into a teardrop shape by gluing the ends together. Don't flatten it. We want soft, rounded petals. Repeat until you've made 16 petals. Step 3. Make the center. Use yellow paper to cut. 1 large circle for the base. 1 smaller circle for the flower center. You can decorate the small circle if you like. Add a spiral, smiley face, or glitter. Step 4. Make the leaves. Fold a piece of green paper and draw half a leaf along the fold. Cut along the line. Make 2 to 3 leaves. Want extra texture? Try accordion folding the leaves for a cool 3D look. Step 5. Assemble the flower. Glue 8th petals evenly around the large circle in a ring. What colors would you use for this flower? Now add the next 8th petals, placing them between the first layer. Then, glue the small yellow circle in the center. Add the leaves. Quick recap. Let's review what you learned today. Cut strips. Shape petals. Make a center. Assemble the petals. Layer and glue the flower. And finish with leaves. You made a 3D paper flower. If you liked this project, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what we should make next. Thanks for crafting with me.